Since Governor Kathy Hochul announced a statewide data center moratorium, a first in the country, she's been traveling the state seeking feedback and support. In Henrietta, town leaders who recently addressed the issue participated in a roundtable discussion with Hochul this morning. Deshaun Johnson brings us some highlights from that conversation.
You know, we want to live sustainably in Henrietta.
Governor Kathy Hochul, along with local and state leaders, included Henrietta in one of their stops after the town proposed last week to change local laws regarding data centers.
People are concerned that our days of New York, clean air, fresh water, reliable power are behind us. We want to know and have hope that here in New York, our future can be better than our present.
The proposed law would require potential data centers to show proof that this can be beneficial and less harmful to the town. While some residents are for the data centers, they echo the same sentiment.
Just to be clear, I am very pro data center. However, I'm also very pro community. Let's make sure when they come in, they're not creating an adverse impact.
This comes weeks after Governor Hochul announced the nation's first statewide moratorium on large data centers, meaning she's freezing permits for up to a year to have time to put together a framework to protect the needs of the state, including the environment and the state's power supply.
They have to follow all permits. Those that have existing permits that are valid can go ahead. This project, I know, is not even ready to go.
I know we talked about in there earlier, just some of the conversation you had with some people out here as far as the possibility of some of these data centers bringing in revenue or potential jobs. How has that conversation been with other counties across the state?
People are nervous about this, and including construction jobs that will go on for 20 years as opposed to the data centers that maybe it's a 2-year construction project. And again, those jobs are important. I understand that. But the long-term jobs, they're just not adding up. This is New York, it's who we are, but I'm asking them to do a better job at explaining why their product has to be this way, because I think they can do better.
In Henrietta, Deshaun Johnson, News 8.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.